Odisha waives off exam fee for 6 lakh students of class 10. Treat as representation PIL to dispense with CBSE class 10 and 12 board exams, says High Court. Students in Rome state sit in protest to demand reopening of schools. Union Education Minister reviews progress on implementing new education policy. 17-year-old missing girl in Ludhiana found dead in her school. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN and the Daily Stories. The Odisha government on Tuesday waived off the examination fee of over 6 lakh class 10 students in the state, keeping in mind the difficulties faced by several students during the COVID-19 pandemic. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, who directed the Board of Secondary Education to waive the examination fee of Rs 420, said the decision will cost the state government Rs 27 crores. Though the board exam dates are yet to be announced in the state, School and Mass Education Minister Sameer Das said at least 100 days of classroom teaching will be held for classes 10 and 12 students before exams are held. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday asked the Centre and Central Board of Secondary Education to treat as representation a PIL seeking dispensing with physical exams for classes 10 and 12 board examination in view of the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic. A bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Jyoti Singh said it was not going to entertain the petition moved on behalf of the Parents Association of a private school and suggested that either a representation be moved before the centre and CBSE or the matter be withdrawn, else it will dismiss the plea with cause. Students in central Rome were seen staging a sit-in protest outside their school on Monday, urging the government to reopen the education sector across the country after most of its 20 regions extended closure to contain rising COVID-19 infections. Italian schools reopened in mid-September after being shut for 6 months, but physical classes in high schools across the country were gradually suspended again a month later due to a new surge in cases. Last week, the government said high schools could restart at 50% capacity as of January 11th, but only 4 regions have reopened. Most regional heads said it was too early and ordered that the return to classes be postponed by several weeks. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal held a high-level meeting with top officials of the Education Ministry at his residence on Monday to review the progress made regarding the implementation of the new Education Policy 2020. An official said that the meeting discussed the goal in NEP 2020 to universalize education from preschool to secondary level. The minister reviewed the progress made in the implementation of NEP in the situation created by COVID-19. Due to the pandemic, the NEP could not progress as expected. With the situation starting to get normal and possibility of educational institutions opening gradually, the ministry is making all efforts to speed up the implementation of the policy, said the official. A 17-year-old girl who had gone missing on Monday evening was found dead in the biology laboratory of Government Senior Secondary School for Girls, Gill Village, Ludhiana on Tuesday. Some students had spotted a body hanging from the fan and raised the alarm. The police has initiated inquest proceedings and sent the body to the civil hospital for post-mortem. The cops claim to have recovered a suicide note in which the girl, who is a class 12 commerce student, had written that she was taking the extreme step as her parents were planning to marry her off after her final exams. The girl's parents, however, denied the claim. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.